Morning, YouTube. 9/16, 20 degrees, March 1st, Saturday. Going on an emergency service call. This is a maintenance customer, so as long as it's not the filter, she won't get charged the after hours emergency fee. Let's go see what's going on. So as I'm heading to this job, my customer told me she's having some issues with her toilet not flushing, and she said the plumber's coming over too. And I'm like, well, who's your plumber? And she says it was Service Professor. I'm not a big fan on Service Professor because they're such a big plumbing, HVAC, electrical contractor. They're located out of Grand Rapids. There's over 100 trucks. And they've been moving into Battle Creek for a while, and it's kind of hurting the smaller shops business, you know, and it's a little aggravating. So I'm trying to get over there before Service Professor shows up, just so I can take care of my issue, because they'll try to sell her or basically work on the equipment, even though I installed this. She's on a maintenance contract, so I'm just trying to beat them to the punch.
State Farm Insurance. September 12th, 1955.
I have a bad igniter. Bad igniter. Let's go grab my tools. And I know I have an igniter in here. Right there. Just to verify. Could be a board issue too, but we'll verify that. Set it on ohms. If it's over 100, it's bad, or if it's an open line.
Taking a dump on me today.
Sounds like it. Yeah, it's bad.
So what is it that's in there?
The igniter's bad.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, at least it's something easy to find, right?
Yep. I thought it was kind of weird that it didn't have heat when I was here in December to do a tune-up on everything.
Yeah, we had heat. I mean, I've had it until yesterday.
That's weird.
When it says I'm done, it's done, right?
Yeah. Yeah, we checked it when we was here, and it was within ohms. Might have got a piece of dust or something on it.
Stop. I know. I know. Shh.
Oh yeah. There's a spot right there. Okay, so carefully put this back. Of course, this isn't magnetic. Some smaller hands.
What? You need more? Hazel had to sleep in bed with me all night. She doesn't usually do that. She goes in her bed with heaters, and I have little rice pads in mine. But
yeah,
we
little
sleep together last night.
little dogs. They don't like to be cold, do they?
No, we had to sleep together last night, didn't we? Yes, I know. I know it. I know.
All right, get those leads in there, and I'll show you what we should be at. 63.5, so we're good there. Okay, fire in the hole. See it's going. Oh, there, bad igniter. She didn't, like I said, she didn't get charged an after-hour service call because she's on our maintenance plan. And the service professor dude, he was pretty decent. Even though I don't like their company, I'm sure some people like them, but I don't. Just like I said, because they're taking over. They're taking over my area. But you know, I got loyal customers. So if you found any value out of this content, and if you like what I do, smash that thumbs up button. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps the channel grow. And if I could do something better, do something different, or if there's something that you would like to see, it might turn into content, leave it in the comments below. I'd really appreciate your feedback, and we'll see you in the next one.